it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. We're located in the Boston area, and in this video we're going to show you a simple and very effective way how you can clean your own mattress for sanitary reasons. Mattresses should be cleaned every 1 to 2, 3 years depending on use, but it's going to be some simple techniques. We'll show you if you're looking at this video in the hopes to finding a way to fix a mattress that has pet urine on it, cat pee, dog pee, something like that, or body fluid, and you need to sanitize it. Look in the description below, there'll be a link for that. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to see you subscribe to our channel and see more videos like this. So moving forward, what we're going to do first, we always do with upholstered furniture, which is what essentially a mattress is you always dry vacuum first. This is a Dirt Devil plug-in machine, which we prefer this corded versus the battery operated. The key is to vacuum the whole mattress. If it's not reversible, there's no need to go underneath and vacuum that, but you're going to vacuum the whole mattress, and you want a vacuum that has a soft beater bar to help lift the dust and the contaminants off the mattress before you attempt to wash it. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. It is important when you do your dry vacuuming that you do a slow, methodical vacuum. Do all sides of the mattress. If it's reversible and you sleep on the other side, do that side as well. The more soils and contaminants you remove this way, the easier it is to do the rest of the cleaning. And that's the first step. Now, we're going to put that aside. Now you can see from the table, there are many different chemicals you can use to clean a mattress. If there has not been any contamination put on here from a body fluid, we urge you to go the gentlest method is the best. That way you're not potentially sleeping with chemicals that you have not rinsed out of a mattress. The gentlest, most effective product that we like to use is Woolite detergent. Woolite makes many products. What they make, their basic detergent for clothing, works fantastic on a piece like this. So what you want to do is, in a pail like this of warm water, mix it according to the directions on the back, and then what you would do is you would apply it, the Woolite foam, and I'll show you that in a second, with a horsehair brush like this. This is very soft, it won't abrade the fabric. What you can also use, this is a dish. You can see where it's for dishes, you put dish soap in there. This is soft enough as well to apply the Woolite. What you do not want to use is something like this. This is a very stiff nylon brush made to clean and scour grout in someone's kitchen floor. That would be too much for this. So we're going to use the horsehair brush that we use in our business all the time. We're going to use that. So you would just froth up the liquid. Notice I pulled the mattress up so I can get the front and the back corners and sides. So we're going to do just a small section right now. We're going to put some liquid down like this. You just brush it in like that. If there are any marks or little stains on here, again, work them a little harder. But we're going to do about 1/4 of this mattress like this. And down the sides, get everything you can that's exposed to the body when it's sleeping. Okay, so what we've done is we've applied it to this 1/4, this side, and this side of the mattress. Now, you don't need necessarily a fancy tool to extract this off. Just a basic wet dry vac. Your vacuum should be wet capable. So it's called a wet vac. You can get them in any store, any size will do. And then we're going to rinse with a combination of warm water and white vinegar, half and half. So in this quart bottle, there's half of it's warm water, half of it's white vinegar. It's a great rinse. So what we're going to do then is, I won't put this on quite yet, but we're going to spray the white vinegar, and as we spray, we're going to lift with the wet vac. And what that does is it flushes and rinses the top of the mattress and all this padding in here of the contaminants plus the detergent. So there'll be no soap residue left. And of course, we'll go over drying later, but you always want to keep a fan around. So what I would do is I would clean the whole piece like this, leave it like this, put one or more fans if you have them on, let it completely dry before you put the linens back on the bed. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to pull out that soap suds. Okay, so what you would do is you take your time, making sure to pass extra dry passes. That means extra passes with the wet dry vac. Even after you followed the spray bottle with this, you do it extra to get as much moisture out of there as you can. If you have any residual little browning or yellowing stains at all, you could always spray on 3% hydrogen peroxide. There are other oxidizers that are much more powerful, but I wouldn't recommend them, at least not in this video. But put 3% peroxide on them, dry it quickly. If there's any kind of odor, it's an extra step, but you can, while it's damp, while the mattress is still damp from the extraction, which is what we just did, put on baking soda. You can spread it all over, just a light coating of this. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you can take up as much as you can with this. You dry the piece, and then when it's completely dry, to get the last bit of the baking soda out, use the Dirt Devil or your vacuum cleaner, and that'll help take all that out. Let it completely dry before you readdress it with linens, and you should be all set. Again, for more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Look in the description below. You'll see a link for a video with to counteract the contamination from a pet. Thank you for watching. Any comments or questions, please leave them below. We'll be happy to get back to you.